Hi there. Things are finally starting to warm up in Chicago, but that hasn't stopped me from dreaming about Daytona Beach, Florida, because it's always going to be warmer in Daytona Beach, Florida. You know, the HypnoExpo is coming up May 17th, 18th, and 19th. And I'm definitely going to find myself in Daytona Beach. I hope you do too. I'm Karen Hand. I'm a board certified hypnotist, and I will be teaching a one-day workshop at the HypnoExpo, May 17th, 18th, and 19th, a one-day workshop on the reminding system for positive change. Have you ever tried those all-in systems or protocols? You know, the ones where they say, hey, this will work on everything for everyone. Do this protocol and you're good to go. I've hypnotized thousands of people since 2005, and the one thing I have learned, people are all very different. There are systems and protocols that certainly do work most of the time, but what do you do on the times when it doesn't? Because what I've learned is nothing is foolproof. Nothing works every time, all the time, except flexibility. And we're the ones who have to be flexible. We have to be in tune with our client. We have to understand what their limiting beliefs are, what their goals are, and what has stopped them from getting there up to now. Once we know that, we can help affect change. So in the reminding system for positive change, that's what we'll learn that day. We'll start with some outcome specifications. So you will get to know your client and exactly what stopped them from getting what they want today. Along the way, you get all of the limiting beliefs, all of the benefits, all of the motivations for change, so you can write your script as you go. My book, Magic Words and Language Patterns, will be discussed a bit so that you can write your script as you go. And I'll give you some handouts that will help you do that. What we do know is that regression sometimes works. Forgiveness is sometimes necessary. Parts work sometimes does the trick. And the thing is, all of the techniques work. None of the techniques are foolproof every single time. So the flexibility is what the reminding system for positive change is all about. Being flexible so that you can work with your client. What if it's a one-off? What if they only need one session? How do you know? Join me at HypnoExpo for a good, strong look at exactly how you know for every session. Learn some flexibility. And join me May 17th for the reminding system for positive change. And then for the rest of the HypnoExpo, May 17th through 19th, IACT, IMDHA HypnoExpo, May 17th, 18th, and 19th. And I have all the information here where you can register. I hope to see you in Daytona Beach. It's going to be a great time, a great conference, and I look forward to seeing you there.